What's up, you guys? This is Ike from Use Cell Phone Parts and Repair, and I'm going to be sharing a video with you on how to replace your Orbic Maui Plus RC545L LCD screen. So let's get into it, shall we? First off, you want to power your phone off. Right here in the top left hand corner, you want to remove your SIMS card tray. Next, take a pentalobe screwdriver and remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. From here, you want to use a prying tool to pry apart the battery cover from the frame. I myself personally just gonna use my hand here to remove it, but whatever works best for you guys. So right here we have a total of 13 screws that needs removing, and there's 6 at the top and 7 at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. So there's 2 flex cables here. You're gonna see me release that you're gonna need to apply back with your new LCD screen. But in this repair, I'm not going to be using the power and volume flex cable because I already have it in my newer LCD. And if you don't, then you're gonna wanna carry that over to your new LCD screen. So the only thing that's gonna be left out in this screen replacement is the battery. I already have a battery that came with the LCD screen that I'm going to be replacing. So as far as for you guys, I recommend that you get a new battery and install it instead of taking out the old one. Sometimes you can bend it, or and it could have issues on down the line. So the better thing I recommend is just to get a whole new battery and install it when you do the your screen replacement. So from here, you just want to release these connectors. As far as the vibrator motor, you just want to get something that is flat enough to go up under it to pry it up. And be careful about the wires that are connected to the charging port, that you don't damage them, or otherwise you might have to resolder them back onto it. So right here I'm just replacing everything back into the good LCD refurbished screen. From this point, you just want to make sure that everything is lined up correctly and all the screws are properly put back into place. Also, make sure all the flex cables are put properly into the connectors. If your new LCD doesn't have any adhesive to place the vibrator motor back into place, you can use some double-sided adhesive tape to seal it back down. there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys to replacing your LCD screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, you guys take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.